It's supposed to be Alcantara, like what you get in a lot of the newer cars. So it's supposed to be Alcantara wrap, and it's supposed to just stick to it. So it does have the sticky material on here. And like I said, the only problem with this was that it took forever to come in.
Hey, forgive me if I leave you, I'm just doing what my heart said. I'm not who I used to be no more, now I move cautious.
What's up, guys? It's your boy Deuce, back with another video. Now, y'all seen by the title, I'm gonna be giving y'all my honest reaction and my honest review of the Alcantara wrap that I told y'all I was ordering. So I've already looked at it and stuff. Now, first off, I want to start by saying this took way too long to come in. You know what I'm saying? Close to 3 weeks. Like, for real, it took forever to come in. But then again, I understand, because, you know what I'm saying, I was reading, like, keeping track of it and everything, and it was coming from China. So that's one reason why it took forever. But will I be ordering again? Honestly, I don't know. You feel me? It really depends on how well the wrap actually looks and how well the wrap actually sticks for me to determine if I'm gonna actually order it again for, like, you know what I'm saying, a different car, maybe my Charger, maybe, you know what I'm saying. Honestly, I don't know yet, and that's what we finna get into. We finna see if I will order it again, my honest review, tell you how I feel about it. And like I said, honestly, so far I'm not feeling too hot about it because it took forever to come in. Now, if I had my Cutlass already, then, you feel me, I don't know, I would have been a little bit more, I won't say mad, but y'all can think of another word than y'all think of, you know what I'm saying. But yeah, I don't have my Cutlass right now, so it didn't matter to me how long it'll take to come in, because like I said, I don't have my Cutlass. But if I had the car and I needed it to install it within the first week or week and a half, then I probably would have canceled that order mid-week, you know what I'm saying, and ordered something else. But it came in finally. Like I said, it took about 2.5 to 3 weeks for it to come in. Took a while, you know. And I found this product on TikTok, you feel me. It's Alcant and then -Era, you feel me. I can show y'all their website. So if y'all end up wanting to, this not a sponsor or anything, but if y'all ended up wanting to order something y'all sell, you feel me, you can. It's pulling up. So this is their site, Alcantara.com, and they do wraps, you feel me. It got sticky stuff on the back of it to where you can wrap, you feel me, interior pieces, really whatever you want. You can even do house pieces if you want to, for real. I done seen them doing all type of cars, dashboards, seats. They done wrapped everything, you know what I'm saying, in the car. So I went ahead and ordered it. But like I said, it took a minute for it to come in. But other than the time frame, we're gonna do a review on how, you know what I'm saying, how I like the product. Now, it came in a small package like this. Pause. But I've already opened it to make sure this was actually the piece, but I haven't checked out the material. But this is it, as y'all can see, and in black. And like I said, we're gonna do an honest, a full review. Calm down, fam. We're gonna do an honest and a full review of the product, you know what I'm saying. So y'all stay tuned. I hope y'all ready to see this, because I haven't, like I said, I haven't took the rubber bands off, haven't unwrapped it or nothing. But we're gonna do an honest review and see how we like the product. Other than it taking forever to come in, you feel me, like I said, we're gonna see how it is. We're gonna see how the product is. So make sure y'all hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you're new, turn that post notification bell all the way, you'll be notified every time I drop. And go follow my Instagram at 01Deuce. It should have popped up on the screen already, so make sure y'all go follow my Instagram as well. And yeah, like I said, just honest review on this product. The guy that's supposed to be coming to buy them wheels from me, if y'all seen, I think it was the last video, if y'all seen that, the guy's supposed to be coming this weekend, like I told y'all. And this is that same week I recorded that video. I recorded that video on Sunday. Today is Wednesday, so literally 3 days ago. So he told me he's going. He texted me yesterday and said he's trying to come this weekend to get the wheels. And yeah, once he get the wheels, then I'm gonna go ahead and order the tires for the box Chevy's 26s. Then we're gonna save them rally wheels for the Cutlass. Like I told y'all already, them rally wheels, we're gonna end up throwing them on the Cutlass until I can get me, I want to do a 2022 setup, a staggered setup, you know what I'm saying. If not, I just want to give me a set of 22s. I don't want to go really big on that car, because I don't want that car riding high, you know. I don't really like cars that ride super high. But then again, I don't want to be too small on there, so I'm debating about 22s or 24s for the Cutlass. So that's something I got to try to get in order, you know what I'm saying? I found a set of 24s that do want to sell me for 600, and they come with tires, but they're painted red. You feel me? It's chrome with a red stripe in the middle of the wheel. Excuse me. So I don't know if I want to get them, you know what I'm saying? And yeah, I honestly don't know. Plus, the rim is ECL, don't have a lip. So I want to get a rim that has a lip on it, because you know what I'm saying, I like the lip part on the wheels instead of them being ECL. Like I said, there's no lip. So yeah, that's something else I got to figure out as well. But let's go ahead and get out, you know what I'm saying, and do a review on this product and see what we think about it. Like I said, it's not a sponsor or anything. I had to pay my own money on this, but the wrap that I got was $40, you feel me? And it looked like it might be a lot. But like I said, it's not a sponsor. I didn't get paid to do this, or they didn't email me or anything to do this. So this is just me giving my honest opinion about it. And yeah, we're gonna see if I'll order some more for any other projects, you feel me? So, and if y'all want to order anything, you know what I'm saying? So let's get out, do the review, and get on with the day. So I'll catch y'all once we get outside. All right, y'all, so like I said, we're finna do an honest review. The package is really small, but you know what I'm saying, it is what it is. It's just wrap, so ain't really like you can damage it, I should say. Hold on, let's set y'all up. All right. So it just come with one rubber band. Pull the rubber band off, and we're gonna undo the wrap. Yeah, like I said, I ordered a pretty big piece. So, and honestly, the material actually feels pretty good, and the wind is blowing, so it feels really good actually. And y'all see, leave like a little pattern on there, like you do with like carpet when you vacuuming. So it feels pretty good, and honestly, I don't know how well it'll stick to certain stuff, but as y'all can see, it does have the sticky material on here. And like I said, the only problem with this was that it took forever to come in. And like I said, I got a pretty big piece. And there it go in one frame. So like I said, it feels pretty good. And if y'all don't know, I got this for the piece that goes under the rear window. Not the full back glass window, but the back seat right behind the driver door. So I got this for that little yellow piece that I have in there. I don't think I have no pictures of that. But yeah, I got this for the yellow piece, and I wanted to put this over because y'all know I told you I want to do black and blue in that car. Black and blue. So this is the black that I wanted to do. And after I use that, I honestly don't know, because I'm only going to need about this much. Probably not even that much, probably about there. I'm gonna need just about that much and then come all the way down. So honestly, with the rest of it, I don't know what I'm gonna do. I just ordered extra just so I can see if I wanted to wrap anything else, you know what I'm saying, with this material, then we'll have extra to do it, you know. And man, I can't lie, this feels really good. It's really soft. But yeah, supposedly it stretches. And like I said, honestly, I don't know, it kind of feels like it stretches, but supposedly it stretches and it cuts easily. And it's not super thick, you know what I'm saying? Y'all can tell it's not thick at all, but it do feel really good to the touch. And like I said, the only thing that was bad was it took forever to come in. But I guess they had to actually make the wrap, you know what I'm saying, and then the sticky stuff on the back. But I don't know if y'all can kind of tell. But yeah, it's literally just like a sticker, and you put it on the car, you know what I'm saying? You don't use no water or nothing. You just literally peel the back. Y'all kind of see. So you just peel this back right here, and then it'll stick to your material or whatever you're trying to put it on, you know what I'm saying? Maybe I can wrap some pieces in the box Chevy with this, since I'm gonna have extra. But honestly, I'm not gonna use this until we get that Cutlass back, because I want to do the Cutlass first before I do anything with the rest of the material, just so I can make sure I have enough material and I wrap everything in that Cutlass that I want to wrap. Because I think I want to do the rear deck as well in this, wrap it in this, you know what I'm saying? That way we'll have that done too. Because I don't know if I'm going to do a custom rear deck since I have that third brake light in there. Maybe they can work around it. Honestly, I don't know, but I know I'm going to probably use this. So that's probably why, I think that's why I got the extra. So I'm going to need about that much for the piece, the yellow piece in there. That's right below that window. Ooh, hold on. Every time, bro. Every time I'm trying to record, people try to call and text. But yeah, like I said, I think I'm gonna just need about that much and come down. And then the rest of it, I will use for the rear deck. So that's what I think I'm gonna do. And then if I want to get something for this box Chevy, I just don't want to wait that long again, though. But if I have to, I'll order some and get some for the box Chevy as well. But like I said, y'all let me know y'all opinions on it. This is in the sunlight. Like I said, it looked good. It looks really good, and it's pretty soft. But the only thing is, you know what I'm saying, I don't know how well it'll stick. In videos, it looked like they made it stick well, but you know how companies do when they doing promotion videos. So, honestly, I don't know. Y'all know how companies do when they do promotion, like commercial videos and stuff. When they do commercials, the products don't be like they actually do in person when you get some. You feel me? Like McDonald's, they commercial burgers and stuff don't be looking like when you go to the actual restaurant and get you a burger. You feel me? So yeah, that's something I don't know. Something I don't know what I'm gonna do yet. I mean, in person, like I said, it feels good, but I don't know how well the product will stick. So yeah, y'all let me know y'all opinions on it though. You feel me? So I just really need the Cutlass back so we can know how well this product will stick and how well, you know what I'm saying, the product is. I want to measure something first to see how long it is compared to the back of the window. Okay, so it's not that long at all. To the back of the window. So literally just this one piece will fit the entire window. So I don't know if I'm gonna have enough of that rear deck. I honestly don't know for the Cutlass rear deck, but I guess we'll see. Like I said, we'll see once we get the car back. We won't know nothing for sure until we get that car back. But y'all see. Look at that. Like I said, it's not a promotion video, not a sponsor video, none of that. They didn't pay me to do this. They didn't send me this product for free. I had to pay for this myself, so. Yeah, honestly, I like it. Go back to the sunlight now. And like I said, this came from China, so I understand why it took so long. I just didn't expect it to be that long, you know what I'm saying? Plus, they didn't give no estimated shipping day. All they just kept saying was, you feel me? They didn't even send. Another bad thing, you know what I'm saying, they didn't even send updated emails on the product, you know what I'm saying, when it was coming, when it got shipped, where it got shipped to, where it got shipped from, none of that. It just, hold on, it's gonna be one more, 1 second, hold on. All right, hold on. Goodness, bro. All right, so yeah, like I was saying, didn't give no update emails or nothing. If I wanted to know what was going on with that product, I had to literally log back onto their site and then go to my recent orders. You know what I'm saying? Which I don't know. It just wasn't right to me. So it felt like a scam a little bit, but it actually came in. And like I said, it looked good, it feel good to the touch. I just don't know how well it's gonna stick. So y'all let me know y'all opinions on the material. It's supposed to be Alcantara, like what you get in a lot of the newer cars. So it's supposed to be Alcantara wrap, and it's supposed to just stick to it. So yeah, yep. Y'all let me know y'all opinions. But I'll catch y'all in a second for the outro. I'm gonna put this back up. All right, y'all, so like I said, the material feels actually really good. And at first I was ordering it because I was gonna wrap my dash in that Alcantara wrap and had the whole dash black. But then again, I had to think and was like, bro, I ain't never wrapped before, so I don't know how well it'll turn out. Plus the dash have a lot of grooves, and then the air holes, and then the hole for the speakers. And I just told myself, don't even do it, you know what I'm saying? Plus it took a lot longer than what I expected. So luckily my dash is already done. Let me see if I can lift this up a little bit for y'all. So luckily my dash is already done, you know what I'm saying? It's done, painted blue, and ready to be installed. Look at that, bro. That blue is popping, dog. I swear that blue looks so good. But yeah, like I was saying, man, luckily my dash is already done, so I don't have to worry about that. But the wrap did finally come in, so that's another thing. The wrap did finally come in. Now all we gotta do is test it out when the Cutlass get back, you know what I'm saying? So that's the only thing we really waiting on now, is to get that car back. So hope y'all enjoyed this video, you feel me? Just a review, quick review, you know what I'm saying? Nothing too crazy. And like I said, I gotta keep saying this because this was not a sponsored video. But if they do, if y'all do Alcantara wrap, if y'all want to sponsor your boy, you feel me? Y'all can send me like some red wrap or something. Send me some red wrap so I can wrap the interior of my Charger, like my seats, my door panels, you feel me? Do something different, and you know what I'm saying, keep the channel moving and growing. So if y'all want to sponsor your boy, you feel me, just hit me up. My email is attached to my YouTube, or should be. If not, my Instagram is for sure. And like I said, I found this product from TikTok. I seen them going viral and stuff on TikTok, and yeah, they was wrapping everything from cloth seats to leather seats to door panels to dashboards to even, you feel me, the headliner. They was wrapping it, you know what I'm saying? So if y'all want to sponsor your boy, send me a couple rolls of the red, you feel me? I seen y'all red, it looked pretty good. So send me a couple rolls of y'all red and we see what we can work with, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna wrap a bunch of the parts on this interior from the bottom half of my dash. I mean, not my dash, my door panels. I want to wrap it red. The bottom part of my dash, wrap it red. Do probably the insert of my seat, if not the outside of my seat, you know what I'm saying? So if y'all want to work with your boy, send me some wrap, you feel me? Like I said, I like the product. It just took forever to come in. Other than that, you feel me, it's a good product. I like it, but we don't know how well it's gonna stick until I get my Cutlass back. I don't want to waste any of the material on this car or my box Chevy, you know what I'm saying? Because I bought that, sound like I talk with a list right there, because I bought that wrap specifically, you know what I'm saying, for my Cutlass. So I don't want to waste any, you feel me, because I didn't order a whole lot. Like I said, I only got the $40 roll, and I forgot the measurement for it. But yeah, the cheapest roll you can get, I think it's like $13, and it's not that much. So I got the next size up, which was $40. So like I said, I think that's gonna be just enough to do what I want to do in that Cutlass, you feel me? So I'm not trying to waste no wrap. So if y'all want to send me some wrap to do a full review on how well it sticks and everything, and put it in one of these cars, y'all send me another roll. But until then, that's gonna be sitting here until we get the Cutlass back, you feel me? Then when we get the Cutlass back, then we'll start doing, you know what I'm saying, some work with it, and then putting that wrap on. So like I said, I hope y'all enjoyed. It's gonna be the end of this one, man. Make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you're new, turn that post notification bell to all, or where you have your notifier every time I drop. Yeah, like I said, it's gonna be the end of this one, man. Keep God first. God bless. I love y'all. Appreciate y'all. Catch y'all in the next one. Peace.